Here's a tutorial on how to do a knee spin. I'll break it down a few times. I'll do it once quickly so you can see, break it down and different angles so we can figure this out. All right, we just went around, left foot around, set it behind, right foot's in front, kickstand, left hand kickstand. We're gonna press out, out, in, out, cross. This is our wind up. Literally pull your elbows out so that you have that momentum rotating to the left. Right knee's up, rotating over the left elbow. Rotate, feet actually come up when you spin. They can drag on the floor is fine, but they aren't stuck on the ground. They rotate around. Left knee pops up to here. Let's do that again. Around, around, down. This back knee, it's a little bit hard to see, but the knee and the right foot is crossed over. Back knee is pushed up here, so you're stable. Kickstand hand. Press it out, cross, unwind, left. Left knee, left elbow. Let's do it from this angle here. Around, left, down, out, let's go back. Out, cross it over, unwind, knee, left, left, and left. Okay, a little bit slower. Left, down, out, cross it over, unwind, knees touch together. They keep going, momentum is pulling, and left knee pop. I'll do it from this angle here, from the cross, out, here, unwind, feet drag around, left knee pop. Hopefully that's helpful. You can watch it in a slower mode if that helps.